Is your workday a rollercoaster of emotions, stress, fun and exhaustion? Working in the modern day world can be a bit like that. You have a to-do list that seems to get longer as you cross it off, face-to-face meetings, Zoom calls, an ever-growing list of unread emails, chat apps to keep up with, and that's all before lunch. What if I told you that I can teach you 3 breathing techniques that can help you navigate the modern world of divided attention, haste and stress? Well, I'm happy to say I can. Like this video, hit subscribe and comment below. Let me know which one of them surprised you the most. You roll over in bed, groggy, searching for an ounce of motivation as the dawn of a new day streams through your curtains. Okay, so maybe you don't wake up in a Hollywood movie, but still, sometimes you feel pretty damn rough in the mornings. Or maybe you're one of those people like me, who's full of energy first thing and needs to use it before it dissipates into the dreaded afternoon crash. Whether you're an early riser or a sunrise sloth, we can all benefit from an energy boost to prime us for the day ahead. Now there are tens, if not hundreds of breathing techniques that can help you to boost your energy. For this, we're simply going to breathe in for longer than we breathe out. What? There's no way it can be that simple, surely. In a moment, when I cue you, we'll inhale for around 6 seconds before exhaling fast for around 2. Let's start off with just 5 rounds. Close your eyes and you'll see why at the end. So before any breathing exercise, it's a good idea to make your spine quite long and let your ribs move freely, as this is how they drive your breathing. And if it's comfortable for you to do so, as I said, I recommend closing your eyes. Take a breath in and a breath out. And take a really long, slow breath in through your nose or through your mouth. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quick breath out your mouth. Inhale for 1, 2. Quick breath out your mouth. 3 more rounds. Inhale. Quick breath out your mouth. 2 more. Exhale. Last one, we're going to hold at the top. Hold when you feel fairly full. And let it go. Keep your eyes closed for now. Notice any sensations in your body. You might feel a buzz of energy. That's physical energy. You breathe in that oxygen, it gets burnt and your body uses it. Now very slowly when you open your eyes, take a moment to look at the colours, see if the world's a little bit brighter or if anything's changed. As you open your eyes, take a moment to notice your surroundings. What do you feel in your body? It might be subtle and nuanced, but can you feel a buzz or a boost of energy? A fizz of electrical signals in your nerves? Did the world seem a little brighter when you opened your eyes, or the colours more colourful? Maybe try 10 breaths next time, but take it easy with this one. Don't go overboard or you might find yourself, well, falling overboard. As we begin to reach pinnacle points throughout our day, it seems to become harder and harder to remember any tool we've ever learned to make ourselves feel better. We've all been there when you felt stressed for hours. It's only when you relax that you remember that maybe a walk outside might have helped you. Realistically, you probably hit 3, 4, 5 points in your day where your mind is whirring, you're on autopilot, and you're not really in the room anymore. The only tool you need to remember here is to stop. Stop and take a moment to rebalance. If we know that breathing in more than we breathe out increases our energy, then by the same logic, breathing in and out for the same amount of time balances us out. Surely it's not that simple. All right, I'll stop. This technique, credited to life scientist and inventor Stephen Elliott, has been widely studied and has been proven to garner a vast number of beneficial responses in your body. Almost all of them relate to coherence, balance. So I'll now guide you through just 10 rounds of coherent breathing. This is going to be breathing in for 5 seconds and out for 5 seconds, roughly. If you can breathe through your nose, use your nose for the whole technique. If you cannot, then of course use your mouth. And I recommend you're seated for this one. Sit up nice and tall in your spine. Always an option to close your eyes, but if you'd rather keep your eyes open, just blur your focus a little bit so you're not finding yourself drawn to anything in particular. Start with a breath in and a breath out. And take a slow, steady breath in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold for a brief moment and exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale gently, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale softly, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Float to the top. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway there. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Softly exhale. Last one, gentle breath in. Gentle breath out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a moment to let your body breathe normally. Check in, see if there's any sensations, any experience, any mood, any energy levels that have changed or that have stayed the same. And if you've closed your eyes, when you feel ready to do so, you can slowly begin to open those back up and bring yourself back into the room. That is 10 rounds of coherent breathing. Maybe you felt a big response, maybe it's very subtle. It's going to be different for everybody. But nonetheless, what's happening in your body when you breathe like this is really, really beneficial. It's an excellent practice for you to bring into your life, whether it's 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 15 minutes a day. The end of the day arrives. Maybe it's the workday finishing, or maybe it's the day finishing as you slump into bed after cooking, washing up, getting ready for tomorrow, and mindlessly keeping your brain stimulated with flashing Netflix-based images way too late into the evening. Just like the moment you wake up, your brain is still active, fired up. Come on, let's do something, even though I feel too tired to do something. Again, following the logic of our previous techniques, what happens if we breathe out for longer than we breathe in? The complete opposite of our energizing breath. Nah, it can't be that simple. For this, we'll inhale for around 3 seconds before exhaling slowly for around 6. Be sure to relax your body with each breath out. And we're going to start with just 5 rounds. Before we start this exercise, take a moment to consciously relax your whole body, whatever that means to you. And then take a breath in and a breath out. Inhale through your nose if you can, mouth if you have to, for 1, 2, 3. Tiny pause. Exhale as you relax for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 6, 5. Soften your body, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale for 6, 2, 1. Just 2 more rounds. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale for 6, feel tension dissolve. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 2, 3. Hold for a moment. Imagine you're blowing out a candle. Breathe out really slowly. 6, 3, 2, 1. Stay as you are. Let your breathing come back to normal. And just take a moment. Maybe you choose to keep your eyes closed. Maybe you fell asleep. I said maybe you fell asleep. In all seriousness, if you do need to sleep, keep repeating this breath until you find yourself drifting off, and I guarantee you won't remember the 20th one. When we breathe out, we tell our body, nervous system and mind that we're in a safe environment. No predators chasing us through the savannah. No imminent danger. No need to run, fight or frantically scour the horizon. In turn, your body begins to rest, recover from the event or stress, digest your food, and prepare your mind for its overnight cleansing process. That's what dreams are, by the way, psychological and emotional processing. There you have it, 3 unbelievably simple breathing techniques that can transform your day in just a few short minutes. 1. For energy and alertness, inhale for longer than you exhale. For calm and balance, breathe in and out for the same amount of time. And for winding down, de-stressing and sleep, exhale for longer than you inhale. Go ahead, give them a try and be sure to come back and let me know in the comments how they work for you. If you want to learn more about the power of breathing, then like this video and hit subscribe, and I'll see you there on the next one.